best BigScoots coupon code, just simply click the link in the description or check the pinned comment. It's that easy. Hey everyone, my name is Shane, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best possible deal on BigScoots hosting. Using my code provided in the link in the video description, you get 50% off all monthly managed hosting plans, a huge saving to kickstart or upgrade your WordPress hosting. After that discount is applied, all that's left is to pick the right plan for your needs. For beginners, the starter plan is a perfect choice. Designed for a single WordPress site with support for up to 250,000 monthly visitors, 10 gigabytes of storage, 1 terabyte of bandwidth, plus free migrations and a CDN included. It gives you everything you need to get going with confidence. If you're managing multiple sites or planning to grow quickly, I highly recommend the professional plan, which supports 10 WordPress sites, allows up to 750,000 visitors, comes with 30 gigabytes of storage, and offers unlimited bandwidth. For larger businesses or high-traffic sites, the business plan is where it's at, supporting 20 sites, 1.5 million monthly visitors, and a massive 200 gigabytes of storage. It's designed for top-tier performance and scalability. And if you're unsure which plan is right for you, don't worry. You can upgrade or downgrade anytime based on your needs. One of the reasons I love BigScoots, aside from the massive discount using my link, is their honest, transparent pricing. No hidden fees, no sneaky renewals, and no annoying upsells. Plus, they actually own their infrastructure, which means better speed, uptime, and security. Their customer support is incredibly responsive and helpful, and they treat you like a partner, not just a number. So before this exclusive deal ends, make sure to grab 50% off using my code in the link below. Just click it, choose your plan, and enjoy some of the best managed WordPress hosting out there. And hey, if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing. I see so many people watching, but not hitting that subscribe button. It really helps the channel, and it means the world to me. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.